Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals.
She's got the love.
I think the major concerns of Indian skin are tanning, pigmentation, acne, and pores that are always clogged with oil. So a lot of different treatments by Cheryl's have helped us to tackle each problem of every client using very specific products. And now I'm very keen to use the Banmark kit because I think pigmentation is one of the biggest problems.
The best one was when people over there, they buy these the products made in America like Proactive, which is very famous among the teenagers. They use it because it's very easy for them to buy for $200, and when they come back to me and I give them Cheryl's, one sitting, believe it or not, and with the home care, it goes away in 3 months' time. And they don't have to go back to Proactive, they come back to me for more and more products.
जो शेरिल का इतना सब यूज़ करते हैं और इतना इफ़ेक्टिव प्रोडक्ट हैं, इतने सुपर्ब हैं कि उसका कोई जवाब नहीं है। सारे ट्रीटमेंट्स जैसे रिंकल्स है, पिगमेंटेशन है, सभी जो टोटल ट्रीटमेंट्स करती हूँ मैं। जो डॉक्टर हैं वहाँ उनको भी मैंने पीछे छोड़ दिया है। एक तो स्किन के अकॉर्डिंग जो प्रोडक्ट देते हैं होम केयर के लिए वो तो है ही, और दूसरा जैसे अपना डर्मालाइट फेस वॉश है, डर्मालाइट सन ब्लॉक है, एंड नी वाइट है, एंड मॉइस्चराइज़र है, हाइड्रा मॉइस्ट है। एक ही अभी बेनमार्क का मैंने एक गर्ल्स को किया है जिसका मैरिज होने वाला है, और उसका पूरा बैक सारे स्पॉट हो रहे थे, और बेनमार्क से उसके काफ़ी लाइट हो गए हैं। अभी उसका ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा है पर इमीडिएट रिज़ल्ट हैं उसके। मैं मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था कि यार क्या होगा, पर मैंने 2-3 सिटिंग में उसका इतना क्लीन हो गया है कि वो खुद भी बहुत खुश है, और मेरे को भी लग रहा है कि मैंने कुछ किया है। और बहुत सारे ऐसे मैंने ट्रीटमेंट्स किए हैं, जैसे एपीलाइट किया है। एक गर्ल्स जो थी मेरी, उसको पूरे फेस पे हेयर थे, काफ़ी हेयरिंग थी वो, और मैंने जो एपीलाइट किया है उसका पूरा एपीलाइट से जो ट्रीटमेंट किया बिल्कुल उसका क्लीन हो गया। इवन फेस इतना ग्लो करता है और स्किन भी उसकी फेयर हो गई है। वो खुद भी बहुत ज़्यादा खुश है कि यार इतना अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट।
एक्चुअली मेरी एक क्लाइंट है जो पहले मेरे पास नहीं आती थी, काफ़ी जगह पे उन्होंने फेशियल ट्राई किया था, तो उनको फेशियल कोई भी सूट नहीं कर रहा था। तो फिर उनको स्किन रिफ़्रेश करने के लिए कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं था, तो वो घर पे ही थोड़ा ब्लीच करके स्किन को टोनिंग करती थी। जब मेरे पास किसी क्लाइंट ने सजेस्ट किया तो वो मेरे पास आई, तभी मैंने उनको हार्मोनाइजिंग फेशियल सजेस्ट किया था, और हार्मोनाइजिंग फेशियल मैंने स्टार्ट किया। वो फेशियल उनको बहुत काफ़ी मतलब अच्छा सूट किया, और उसका रिज़ल्ट भी अच्छा है। अभी वो कंटिन्यू मेरे पास हार्मोनाइजिंग फेशियल्स के लिए आती है, और उसके साथ वो सेटिस्फाइड है, और उसका रिज़ल्ट उसको बहुत अच्छा लगा। तो मैं खुद भी कॉन्फिडेंस हो गई कि सेंसिटिव स्किन के लिए मैं हार्मोनाइजिंग फेशियल करती हूँ, और कॉन्फिडेंटली सेंसिटिव स्किन हैंडल करती हूँ।
Personally, we have using maximum all products with Cheryl's, moisturizer, sunblocks, and then Skin Life Ceramide capsules and Skin Life Retinol caps. What we are using. We feel कि Oxyzer is the good teacher, and we have the using each and everything with Cheryl's. Exclusive, we have open new center in Lokmat Discord that is exclusive Cheryl's, and we think that our success is grant to Cheryl's Cosmetical only. We have the tackle thousands of clients in a regular yearly basis, but with 1 or 2 clients we are getting some problem. Otherwise, we cannot getting any type of problem.
If one client was doing, the other used to ask me, what is this treatment? Just let me know about this. So when we used to do on clients, when they used to see the results, and I also in my salon, I try to take shootings of and videos of my client. We are doing the process, we take shooting, we take interview from them. Okay, how is the process? How do you like the experience? We are success and we are satisfied with Cheryl's. And of course, one day, last 7 days back, my husband was also telling, don't leave Cheryl's. He had spoken to sir about, I was planning to open a salon. So sir had told me some good points, that's it. And I'm very, very, very much satisfied with Cheryl's. With a small parlor I started, and now I am doing very good. And of course, confidence level also has gone up with Cheryl's. I have a oily skin, not a good oily skin, so I use Cheryl's ka tea tree, Dermalite tea tree, and I use SPF sunblock toner also, and I used to use Knee White for night cream.
My salon is just 3.5 months old, but I think we picked up very, very well in the market. Could just say in 3.5 months, I have targeted like more than 300 or 400 clients, and I think that's like a big mark. Yeah.
Success story is Cheryl's definitely, but basically is acne. Acne, I have given 100% result to the client, and she's well satisfied with it. I have liked and loved it. And now I cannot, people tell me to use different products, but I cannot tell them, please, sorry, I cannot use your products, I can only use Cheryl. No product can give me that result what Cheryl can give me. I use face wash, sunblock and night cream, that's it.
And all the successes with Cheryl's, because in every small problem is solved with the Cheryl's. Even the day problem, night problem, whatever the recovery I get from that, the people are happy, clients are more happy, and I got every time a results.
Yeah, there are actually many, but recently I'm getting really good results with the Derma Roller treatments, which is on hair thinning. I'm really happy with the treatment.
With the help of the kits, I think with the Tan Clear facials, it's absolutely a godsend gift. I think that with the Tan Clear, the first facial when you do it itself, it's absolutely result oriented. It completely gives you the result immediately, and the client is happy, and that is more important. It's customer satisfaction based. So if the client is happy, we are happy. Myself, I use the Anagen hair oil. I use the Derma Shade. I have used, earlier I was on Derma Cleanse, which has reduced my acne to a lot of extent, and I think I have just the marks remaining. I am very sensitive skin, and I used to have rosacea, so I have used the anti-red serum, I think, and it has reduced my redness to a lot of extent. And currently I am even started using this. I never used to do this Derma Peel on my skin, but now I am getting to use the Derma Peel. So I do it, my beautician does it for me, but I do the facial also now, the basic glow facial. Right now, there is a client of mine who has been very loyal to me and has been coming to me for almost like 4 to 5 years now. He's been using the Anagen hair oil, and it is helping him a lot. It has been showing good results, because of which the hair that he has started to grow, the density has increased, due to which I have started to get even more clients. Just seeing him as an example, it has worked miracles for him.
Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals.
She's got the love.